Hello, my name is Frank and I created Myownnetworth, a financial app designed for the middle class. So if you live paycheck to paycheck, this app is for you. Thank you to everyone who's already signed up for the app. This will make our Pay Your Bill program start even sooner. Many people have asked, so what's the difference between Myownnetworth and, say, Pocket Guard? Let's take a look. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the company history. Pocket Guard is funded by Newsphere, a private equity firm. The company is privately held. Myownnetworth has no outside investors. For this reason, I don't have to 3x or 5x on the ROI for them to get their returns. Instead, we have an option to share our profits with the subscribers. If you sign up for the $149.99, you can be part of the Pay Your Bill program, and we'll talk more about that later. Thank you. All right, let's look at pricing. Pocket Guard is $74.99 a year, and Myownnetworth is $149.99, but includes the Pay Your Bill program. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at security. Security is extremely important to us. For that reason, we don't need to know who you are. First, start with a new email. Get silly, be bubblegum@blankblank.com. We also don't have feeds to other sites. Pocket Guard connects to banks, credit cards, and financial institutions. Sending information to other sites increases the chances of having your data stolen. Selling data is big business. Myownnetworth wants nothing to do with it. We care about you, your family, and rebuilding the middle class. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the Pay Your Bill program. When I started this app, I said beyond educating the customers on their financial decisions, I like to help pay their bills as well. So after we pay off the initial debt, I'm going to need about 2,000 people to sign, so we're getting closer and closer. Once we do that, we're going to start sharing in the profits. And what we'll do is that you can send us your email and we can contact you if we select your name. If you don't want to participate, don't. It's whatever you want to do. But our goal is to help not only have you pay for an app, but see if we can help pay your bills to help make your money grow. Thank you. Myownnetworth is a great app for kids. When I saw a video that I linked actually below, that you can see how if a child starts with a little bit of money in the beginning of right when they're born, by the time they're 65, they're going to be a millionaire. I'm in my middle 60s now, and boy, did I wish I had something like that. So let's make it possible for our kids and grandkids, with the help of parents as well as the grandparents, to work on Myownnetworth together, teach them finance, and let them learn investing and have a secure financial future. In conclusion, Pocket Guard is a great app and has a leftover tool, which is a great feature and to show you how much you spend. Myownnetworth is designed for people who want to have enough money to retire, excellent for the youth to learn about money, want to keep your money private, participate in your Pay Your Bill program, and create financial scenarios, help you decide your spending. Both are great apps. Based on what your goals are, decides what app is best for you. Myownnetworth is an educational tool. Please consult with a financial advisor, a family member, or somebody that you trust to make your financial decisions. Thank you.